In the silent red desert of Mars, the future of war is being written by hands human and not human. The barren landscape stretches endlessly, but now the dust is no longer untouched. A new alliance is here. Earth militaries stand beside extraterrestrial commanders with eyes that have seen 1,000 galaxies, and together they construct the most advanced military base ever attempted beyond Earth. There is no night and day rhythm, only work cycles, glowing facility lights, and energy beacons pulsing like artificial stars. Giant machines drag titanium carbon beams across the Martian plain, while alien hovering rigs weld with light frequencies humans cannot see. Everything is industrial, automated, efficient, emotionless, cinematic, and overwhelming. The base is not simply a fortress. It is a new evolution of war infrastructure, designed to exist outside Earth, outside politics, outside limits. There are no rally speeches, no cheering, no crowd. There's only focus, breathing and regulated oxygen, and the low sound of reactors feeding endless power to robotic assembly lines. Earth engineers view holographic schematics projected into the cold Martian dust, while alien minds transmit data directly without devices. The atmosphere hums with constant, silent collaboration. The metal frame of the primary command citadel rises from the ground like a metallic cathedral of future conflict. Human soldiers in quantum armor inspect autonomous drone platforms, while extraterrestrial biomechanical units calibrate plasma emission conduits. Everything is working like one intelligence, one purpose, one military organism. Inside massive underground hangars, automated foundries shape weapon modules with precision nanofabrication. The machines are making machines, no wasted motion. Each station laser cuts, assembles, reinforces, and seals high-density alloy casings for next-gen battlefield systems. On the surface, gigantic mobile rail platforms assemble orbital cannons designed to defend the entire Mars perimeter. Alien plasma reactors are integrated into Earth's missile control grids, turning standard technology into something far beyond what human history has ever known. The goal is not only to defend Mars, but to create the first multi-species manufacturing ecosystem for war. Each step is logged, but not spoken. Humans and aliens communicate with gestures, visual signals, neural impulses, subtle expressions that cross languages effortlessly. The alliance is silent because the work itself is language. At the eastern rim of the base, towering robotic construction cranes install shield generators the size of skyscrapers. Their joints move with supernatural precision as gravitational stabilizers keep them upright despite Martian storms. Transparent panels of radiant armor are fused into the exterior of the base, forming a dome that can deflect kinetic strikes and energy beams. This is not merely a military base. It is a planetary fortress being shaped molecule by molecule. Alien lightcraft hover above to scan structural integrity with spectral frequencies invisible to the human eye. In one corner, giant excavators carve deep subterranean chambers that will become hypervolts for classified weapon cores. The red dust fills the air like blood, illuminated by welding arcs that sparkle in slow motion. There are no parades, no propaganda, just purpose. On the horizon, mobile refineries smelt Martian regolith into usable alloys. Conveyor belts the size of highways send processed metals toward assembly hubs where robots assemble the shell segments of war machines that have never existed before. Some resemble walking fortresses, some are sleek aerial vehicles that fold into the shape of predatory wings, and others are massive siege platforms with gravity modulation engines capable of shifting battlefield terrain. The lines between mechanical and biological blur because alien biotechnology merges with Earth hardware, creating hybrid systems that are half machine, half living. Human technicians document each experiment, but even their data feels outdated compared to the speed of alien innovation. Energy networks pulse throughout the base, forming a glowing circuit across the landscape. It looks like a city of stars flattened on the ground. Artificial magnetic fields stabilize the environment, allowing organic troops to operate without pressure suits in certain sectors. The base is expanding with terrifying efficiency. What once was a barren field is now a metropolis of military production. Cameras track everything, drones patrol the perimeter, and fleets of autonomous units march in formation as a test of synchronization. Human commanders observe from multi-layered holographic control tables. Alien strategists stand beside them, analyzing potential war scenarios in the Milky Way, sharing cosmic warfare patterns that dwarf human imagination. By the time the central fusion spine is activated, the entire base becomes a living engine. Every machine is connected, every robot has a task, every system loops into the next. There is no downtime. The war industry of Mars is 24/7, with no sunrise or sunset dictating pace. In simulation theaters, they test the massive war platforms on holographic enemy formations. In orbital docks, they assemble prototype starships fused with alien warp logic. The Alliance does not simply prepare for war, they prepare to define it, to rewrite the weapons dictionary of the universe. Mars becomes the forge of the future, a silent industrial symphony where conflict is engineered with mathematical elegance and otherworldly creativity. Every spark that flies from a welding torch is a prophecy of battles not yet fought. Every robot movement is choreography of relentless ambition, and every structure rising from the red soil is a monument to the terrifying idea that war does not belong to Earth anymore. War is now interstellar.